Okay everybody, welcome back to our channel. So I'm having to do a separate meal plan because the grocery haul video was a little bit long. So I wanted to just let you know, based on the things I was able to get during my grocery shopping trip, the ideas that I came up with for breakfasts, lunches, and dinners, which we're going to use several of the items we have in our pantry, as well as some of the items that I was able to get today when I went to the grocery store. So I have 3 breakfast ideas, 4 lunch ideas, and I think I have 9 dinner ideas. So for breakfasts, based on what I was able to get and what we have in the pantry, we can do either egg muffins, mini waffles using the Kodiak cakes, and then turkey sausages. So I do have several turkey sausages that I can just prep them ahead. I'm going to prep some mini waffles. I'm going to actually make chocolate waffles using some of the unsweetened cocoa powder in the Kodiak cakes. Breakfast number 2 is grits or oatmeal. I was able to get grits today, buy one get one free with a coupon. But with the grits, I'm going to ask the kids, because we want to round out our meals, to have either egg muffins, maybe they could have turkey here, or a fruit. But just not grits or just not oatmeal, because I don't want them to be hungry within a short period of time. And then breakfast number 3 would be toast, an egg muffin, and then applesauce. I'm going to do the crock pot applesauce again this weekend. So that'll be available for the kids to have as a part of their meals. They can have, I'm trying to keep a healthy carb, a healthy protein, a fruit or a veggie somewhere within each meal. Now for lunches, we can do peanut butter and jelly. I bought bread today that I got with a coupon. So peanut butter and jelly and applesauce. Or they can do a sandwich with just meat and cheese. I think I have pastrami. They can also have pretzel crisp, and I think we have Chex Mix just in case they don't like the pretzel crisp. But whatever we open is what we're going to use. Or they can have applesauce as well. Lunch idea number 3 is leftovers. Whatever I cooked the night before, we'll use as leftovers for our lunches for the next day. And then we also have chicken and tuna. So I could do a chicken salad or a tuna salad with applesauce. I can actually do this on 2 slices of bread with a slice of cheese to make a tuna melt, or fat-free cheese to make it more Weight Watcher point friendly for me for lunches. Definitely a Saturday or a Sunday lunch idea, because I have more time to cook during the weekend than I do during the week. And for our dinner ideas, I came up with 9 ideas. Dinner number 1 will be fish and shrimp po' boys, and we have, I think I have 1 or 2 tilapia fillets left, and I have half a bag of shrimp. So I'm just going to saute those all together, and we're going to put those in between. I'm going to saute the shrimp and the fish in one pan, and we're going to put those in between hot dog buns. I do have the hot dog buns in the freezer. I also have the French fries. We have steak fries in the freezer. So that's dinner idea number 1. Dinner idea number 2, if we don't want to do the fish and shrimp together, we can do shrimp and pasta Alfredo with veggies. Today I got cauliflower and broccoli veggie together. I have the shrimp, I have pasta, and we have Alfredo sauce that we got last week with coupons. So I do have enough items or ingredients to make the shrimp and pasta. The third idea we're going to do is the 2 ingredient dough and make pizzas. I made crock pot pizza sauce last week, so I can just put together the 2 ingredient dough, roll that out, put the sauce and then cheese, and then we would have pizzas. The next idea I have is club sandwiches using bacon. I do have pastrami, I have cheese, I just got bread using coupons, and the bacon we have in the outside freezer. Idea number 5 is chicken and rice. I will use diced chicken that I got from Harris Teeter last week, and then I also have some steamed fresh brown rice that I can use to put together with a bouillon cube that I do have in my pantry closet to make a chicken and rice. We can also add beans to that on the side. Dinner idea number 6 is chili cheese fries. Last week for coupons I got turkey chili and vegetarian chili. We have cheese because cheese was on sale this week, but I also have some queso cheese, just a little bit left in the fridge that we could use over steak fries to have chili and cheese fries. Dinner idea number 7 is I could take that same bird's eye brown rice and make fried brown rice with chicken. Instead of boiling it with the bouillon, I could just fry it in the fry pan with some spray oil, add in an egg and then any type of veggies that we have, and then we could have chicken fried brown rice. Dinner idea number 8 would be breakfast for dinner. Of course, I have the Kodiak pancake mix, which I'm going to be doing mini waffles. We do have some bacon and some turkey sausage, so we could actually make breakfast for dinner. We have eggs. We could do the egg muffins, and so that would be something that we could do. Dinner idea number 9 is going to be salmon patties and grits. I'm actually have 1 can of salmon in the pantry closet, and I have 2 tilapia fillets. So I could actually debone and deskin the salmon. I could go ahead and lightly saute the tilapia, then add the 2 together with some onions and some peppers that I actually got on coupon. I got the peppers on markdown and the onions were on sale. So I could saute up some onions and peppers, throw in the salmon, throw in the 2 tilapia fillets, saute those together, and then we could do that with grits on the side. And then we could do the mustard sauce that I like to do just on the salmon and the fish meat, and then have that as a side item. So those are a couple of dinner ideas along with some lunches and some breakfast ideas that I'm going to be utilizing this week as we try to go through our pantry and we go through the groceries that I just bought for this week. So that's our menu plan for the week. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. It just says, hey, we liked your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. And also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next time we meal plan, bye.